Good morning, my dear students of Success School, Singarin Tespu Sombung, students of Success School, College Lantong. This is for class 6, subject Geography, lesson number 2, Globes and Maps. What is a globe useful to us? A globe is useful to us because it gives us a clear vision of the shape of the earth, and it shows the north and south poles, latitude and longitude, oceans and continents, etc. What are the essential components of a map? The essential components of a map are distance, directions, and symbol. Name the coordinate points of a map. The coordinate points of a map are north, south, east, and west. What is the difference between a map and a plane? A plane is the layout of a building or school. It shows a small area in great detail, such as the length and breadth of various rooms, doors, etc. Whereas a map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a piece of paper. It shows only important features of an area. What is a great circle? A great circle is an imaginary circular line in the middle of North Pole and South Pole. Name the three heat zones of the Earth. The three heat zones of the Earth are torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. What is meant by latitude? Latitude is an imaginary line drawn around the globe parallel to the equator. What is the difference between local time and standard time? Local time is a time which is indicated shadow cast by the sun, but standard time is a time which is indicated by the standard meridians of longitude of the countries. Local time has only local importance, whereas standard time has the importance in the whole countries. What is a globe? It is a model of the earth map for geographical studies. What is a globe? It is a model of the earth made for geographical studies. What are the two reference points on the globe? The North Pole and the South Pole are the two reference points on a globe. What is equator? The imaginary circular line running halfway between the two poles is the equator. What are the longitudes? Imaginary lines drawn from pole to pole are known as the longitude. What is the grid? The network formed by the parallel of latitude and the Mediterranean longitude is the grid. What is meant by orbit? The part in which parallel move around the Earth is called an orbit. My dear students, this is civics for class 7. Okay, sorry. This is for class 6 biology. Okay. Biology. Chapter number 2, the component of foods. What is nutrition? The food substance containing some component that are needed by our body is called nutrition. How will you taste the presence of star in food item? Take a small quantity of food item or raw ingredients. 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution is added on it. If the colors of the food item turn blue-black color, then it indicates the presence of star in food item. How will you taste the presence of protein in food item? A small quantity of food items are taken, and if the food items is solid, it is made into paste or made into powder. Some of the food items are green or marks, or put it in a clean test tube. 10 drops of water are added to the test tube, and second, using dropper, add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda solution to the test tube and shake for few minutes. If the content of the test tube turns violet color, then it indicates the presence of protein in the food items. How will you taste the presence of fat in the food item? A small quantity of food item are taken and rubs it in a piece of paper and crush it. Strengthen the papers and hold the paper straight light. Presence of oily paste on paper indicate that the food items contain fats. Write the function of various components of food. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Fats provide energy to our body. Protein help in the growth and repair of our body. Protein are often known as body building foods. Vitamin protect our body against disease. Vitamin also help keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, and gum healthy. Minerals help in proper growth of the body and to maintain good health. What are different types of vitamin? The different types of vitamin are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. There are also a group of vitamin called vitamin B complex. Why do we have to consume waters? Because water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Water also helps in throwing off waste from our body in the form of urine and sweat. What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? The diet which contains a good amount of The diet which contains a good amount of roughage and waters is called balanced diet. Write any two advantages of cooking. They are cooking improve the taste of food, make food easier to digest. Home assignments for class 6 Manipuri MM. This is Manipuri MM, lesson number 3 and lesson number 4, Saitya. Koina Maharaj Bhajana Chipapotho, my dear students, learn by heart. Okay. Learn by heart all this. This is class 6 Manipuri. Class 6 Manipuri. Manipuri. This is class 6. This is class 6, Tangbang, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. This is class 6 Manipuri. Class 6 Manipuri. Manipuri. This is class 6 Hindi. This is class 6 Hindi. This is class 6 Hindi. Class 6 Hindi.